Hey guys, Hey guys, I'm Sarah. Today I'm in Chattanooga at Enterprise South Nature Park. It's a mixture of a walking, hiking, and biking park. I've been here before, 2 weeks ago from today, I think. And a friend of mine, I've been wanting to get into some beginner mountain biking. So a friend of mine from church, I won't say her name on YouTube, I don't know how she'd feel about it, but thank you. You know who you are for telling me about this park. It's wonderful. But there's also a geocache. I came here strictly to mountain bike, but there's a Letterbox geocache hybrid at this parking lot, and I've just found it. The last time I came here, I found out it was here after I got done mountain biking. I was so tired. I looked for it, couldn't find it. I'm not ready for this, guys. I'm so tired. It's a 3.5 difficulty out of 5, so. But I just found it just now, a few moments ago. So, and one of the past logs gave me a hint. The geocacher said that they got down on their hands and knees and their hiking stick and dug around and finally found it. So that gave me the idea. So I got a hiking stick and I dug around. And now I'm trying to find where I put the hiking stick. Okay, I see it. Alright. But in case you guys don't know what a Letterbox geocache hybrid is, it's a mixture between a traditional geocache and a letterbox. And a letterbox is basically you use stamps to show that you found the geocache letterbox hybrid. This is my second letterbox hybrid, but I'm sure this one has swag in it. But this find will be my 200th, so this is gonna be very important to me. Let me show you real quick. And there's one other car here besides mine, so I'm not too worried about muggles right now. But you see that stick right here? I found it and I left it here so I could remember where it was. But I'm sure you might see it now, but here it is, right here. My 200th geocache, and it is awesome. Leave this here to note where it was, because I'm gonna go to my car and open this thing. There it is. Stamp, and here's the ink. Here's a little. Okay, and this is the logbook. Clean out some of the ink that's spilled out. This is so cool. I love this. It's so cool. And here's my letterbox stuff. Here's my book, my ink pad, and my stamp. Okay, so here's how it goes. I take the pad, the logbook from the letterbox geocache, and I use my stamp. I could use their ink pad, but I like purple, so I stamp it. Hope you guys can see it. Right there. Hi, there I am. 20. So I stamped that logbook. Now take my logbook. I already have one from 2019. The other one I found had a ladybug stamp in it. This one has a dragonfly. That's cool. I don't know. I'm kind of picky. Let's go ahead and use this one. Use mine. Here's their stamp. There it is, out there. Oh, that's so much fun. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Alright, put it all up. Let's see if I can fit something in here. I don't know if I can or not. We'll try. Oh, there's an ant on my leg. Big black ant. Around where I live, letterboxes are few and far between, so maybe it'll fit. We'll try. I just remembered I have a travel bug or a trackable that I need to put in a geocache. I think this is the perfect place because I love this place so much. So. Alright, now we can put it back. Yeah, you guys know the drill, we gotta put it back. Okay, we're looking for a stick. Yeah, of all these sticks, I know, but okay, I see it. There's the stick, and there's the hole right there. Man. Yeah, last time I was looking for this one. Oh, I was so mentally exhausted. It is. I'm going to cover it up. Cover it up real well. While I'm vlogging, I'll show you a little bit of this place. This is my second time being here. I really love coming here. This is a trail. This is mountain biking. And I saw a couple go walking down there too. So maybe it is a hiking and biking trail. But I have not been on this one. It's advanced. It's called Atlas. I am not ready for that one. Here's a trail for walkers and bikers. And this is where you go to get to a beginner trail called Black Forest that I've ridden. I've been on it. And there's TNT, which is I believe is an intermediate #1, which I did not finish it. I got on it for like a few seconds and just finally decided I'm tired. This trail's 4.4 miles. I gotta go home. So there's TNT, and they have signs that tell you which way to go on what days. And here's Black Forest. This is the one I did 2 weeks ago, I believe. No one, there's like hardly anybody here. It's on a Wednesday morning, so. Here's a section where you can practice your skills. I've been trying to do this part. It doesn't look like much, but my balance is not the best, so I kind of struggle with that. The only thing I've done in this is that and the trail, but this place is awesome. I love it. I eventually do want to try TNT, but that might be about a year or so, I don't know. Anyway, there's other than Atlas, there's I think a Logarithm, which I haven't been on. I think that one, I don't remember if it's intermediate 2 or advanced. Mountain biking, I'm so glad I've gotten into it. It's fun, it's scary, but it's fun. Now, I don't do anything real crazy because I'm a beginner, but I just wanted to show you guys. I've gotten around the back side of that place where you can practice your technical trail stuff. Here it is. Of course, I can't do this stuff yet, but there's a log that you can practice rolling over. Here's some stair steps you can practice going down, which I haven't done either. There's some posts you can go zigzag between them, and there's a rock garden over here. So, oh wow, I didn't even see this last time. Oh, I might want to maybe try that. So glad I found that hybrid, that geocache, letterbox hybrid. 200th find, finally. Well, I'm gonna get my bike out and see what we can do. But thank you for joining me on my geocache adventure. Let me know in the comments if you have found a geocache letterbox hybrid. Let me know in the comments if you do mountain bike, where you've been. I haven't been doing it for that long. There's a mountain bike my parents bought me years ago that I just rode on the road. I post on Thursdays. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh dear, there's a wasp. Great, it's going right in there. Oh.